Meet the AeroTech stainless steel DDS direct drive system. Engineered from the ground up, the DDS delivers maximum heat and vacuum pressure for performance unlike any truck mount on the market today. With a frame and body made from ultra-tough stainless steel, the corrosion-resistant DDS won't rust or prematurely ugly out. There's no paint to chip or powder coating to flake, ensuring years of long-lasting reliability. Featuring the first-ever clog-resistant stainless steel heat exchanger, the DDS achieves temperatures up to 250 degrees at the wand tip. That's as much as 50 degrees hotter than competing models in its class. Dual wand capability and adjustable working pressures of up to 1200 psi and flow of 4 gallons per minute. You can clean hard surfaces, delicate upholstery, and all types of carpet with confidence. The state-of-the-art open flow design of the DDS achieves impressive vacuum performance and wastewater recovery, resulting in fewer wand passes for cleaner, faster drying carpet. The round aerodynamic waste tanks are made from high-gauge stainless steel and will never collapse. Not only that, but the smooth surface and beveled bottom of the tanks ensure that dirt and debris won't stick, and all wastewater fully drains, even on a sloped driveway. No more gross buildup or smelly sludge. Cleaning the filter has never been easier. The innovative round waste tank filter was engineered with a slip-fit socket and spring-loaded arm that provides strong surface contact but is still easy to remove. The superior engineering of the DDS extends to the vacuum and solution hose reels, which are also made from stainless steel and are designed to prevent slippage. The vacuum hose reel features a built-in direct drive motor that is essentially maintenance-free. The DDS features a drivetrain with high heat-rated universal joints that offers 37% more torque. No other system offers a more robust drivetrain that will deliver years of dependable performance. It also requires far less maintenance and repairs versus standard slide-in truck mounts and even other direct drives, which means less downtime and years of lower operations costs. To find out more about the DDS stainless steel system, visit www.jondon.com or call 800-556-6366.